is a part 2. Guys, this is a part 2. Then, tara. Linisin na natin. Let's go. Ito siya guys, no? Ayan siya. Linisin na natin yan for today's guys. Wala, very so much. Yan. Ang dumi na nito. Hindi maayos yung pagtuto dito guys. Hindi maayos.